later.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to connect your desktop computer to your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, because there are some instances wherein you are using a desktop computer but you cannot connect to a Wi-Fi. But I was able to find a way, and it's pretty much easy. But right now I'm using a laptop though, but this goes similar to a desktop computer, so it's pretty much easy. So using your Android phone, okay, which is connected to your Wi-Fi internet, let me log in. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm not connected to the internet. Okay, so and then next is you get your USB port, okay, which normally you use when you charge your phone. And then right now you plug it here, okay, plug it in. There you go. Now on your Android phone, you go to okay, so on your Android phone, what's wrong? Okay, on your Android phone, you open your settings. Okay, you go to settings and you go here to connections. Okay, connections again, connections, and right here you go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, click on it. Now you see here USB tethering, right? So it's not yet enabled. So next is you plug in your port to your USB. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, this one. So let's plug it in. There. Okay, so click allow. Okay, one moment. My phone is freezing. I don't know why. What's happening with my phone? You click allow. There, as you can see, USB tethering is enabled. So you just share your phone's internet connection using USB cable. So you enable that one, and there, boom, it will automatically connect now to your internet. Okay, let's go back. There you go. There's a pop-up here. So all you have to do, guys, is click yes. Okay, it's not working. Okay, there you go. Click yes. There you go. We're now connected to a LAN internet connection using only your Android phone, which is connected to your internet. Now let's check it out. Okay, let's go to YouTube. There you go. It's working. Fantastic. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, leave comments, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.